Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard rice kheer. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of basmati rice, soaked for about 30 minutes, and 4 cups of whole milk. Also, have 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and 1/4 cup of cold milk on hand. Don't forget a pinch of saffron, some cardamom powder, and your preferred chopped nuts for garnish. Now, let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pot, combine your soaked basmati rice and 4 cups of whole milk. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the rice to cook thoroughly and the milk to thicken beautifully, forming the creamy base of our kheer. Next, we'll add the special custard touch. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of custard powder with 1/4 cup of cold milk until there are no lumps. Pour this smooth custard mixture into your simmering rice and milk, stirring continuously. Now, add 1/2 cup of sugar and a pinch of saffron threads for color and aroma. Continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until the kheer reaches a lovely, thick consistency. Finally, for the finishing touches, remove the kheer from the heat and stir in 1/2 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Allow it to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chilling for at least 2 to 3 hours is essential for the flavors to meld and the kheer to set perfectly. Before serving, garnish generously with your favorite chopped nuts, such as almonds or pistachios. Enjoy your delicious, creamy custard rice kheer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.